Welcome to the first edition of the Honeywell Cook-Off. This is the Honeywell kitchen, and we're going to be finding out who can stand the heat in this kitchen and take home our grand prize. Weeks ago, myself and the Honeywell team went online to search for creative chefs who can throw down and compete in this kitchen. How well can they cook? How creative are they? What amazing dishes can they make with a range of Honeywell food products? We have the Honeywell Noodles, we have the Honeywell Semolina, to mention a few. 8 contestants will be competing for the cash prize, and there can only be one winner. They are going to go through 4 stages of different cookout sessions, after which our 3 different judges will be picking our winner. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to meet your contestants. Welcome to the Honeywell Cook-Off Show, guys.
Thank you.
As you can see, we have 4 cooking setups and we have 8 of you. This is what we call the knock-off stage. 8 of you are going to be competing on your first task, which is to cook a plate of Honeywell noodles. The judges are going to knock out 4 of you by just the taste of your food. Wow. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Come on, I'm not seeing smiles.
Yes,
you ready?
Yeah.
Now put on your aprons and let's get to work. All right, guys, you have all your items?
Yes.
We confirm, you have all your items?
Yes.
All right, guys, all you're going to have for this session is 20 minutes. I remember only 4 will make it through this stage, okay? Yes. So in 3, 2, 1. One minute, 30 seconds. Very soon we'll be inviting the judges over to taste the food. Less than 1 minute, guys. 10 more seconds, guys. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and everybody stop. Everybody stop. All of you to file up at the back. Okay. Just a straight line. You're going to be meeting your judges, and now 4 of you will be proceeding to the next stage. 500,000 naira to be won, and a year's supply of Honeywell products. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to welcome your judges. We have Chef Rotimi, then Chef Obubu, and Chef Ore. They are all private chefs doing amazing work in the food industry. All right, guys, you're going to be tasting every meal here. And the twist is, you don't get to know who cooked what until you have chosen. So are we ready?
Yeah, I think we're ready.
We're ready.
But from what you see, are you interested in tasting these meals?
A couple.
A couple?
That one looks nice.
Looks exciting.
Okay, which one?
The one in the final football.
Oh, okay, I thought so too. Okay, can we have the first meal, please? Thank you. All right, judges, let's see what you think of the first meal.
Let me share it.
All right, what do you think of the presentation?
Simple, it's nice.
The bell peppers are so here already.
Fine.
What do you think of the taste of bubu?
I don't know if it's time, but then there's something bitter. Can you taste it?
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of soggy noodles. I like the texture.
Yeah. Rotimi, what will you tell me about this?
Eggs are just a smidge overcooked.
The eggs?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, please score. Let's get the next plate up.
let me start with this one, right?
I think we're meant to
So,
use the lemon squeeze.
Yes, I'm excited about this because if it doesn't
What does the
enhance
lemon do
it,
to the food?
So it's supposed to add acidity. It's supposed to enhance flavor. Adds acidity if it's really sweet or if
brings
there's
a
a lot of
balance.
fat to help you cut through it.
So it's a balance. Squeezable.
It looks interesting.
I like the presentation.
I
hope
see
it
people
tastes
I
will be
do like the
smiling.
presentation.
I hope I'm not disappointed.
And
So I think the prawns already shrimps are overcooked.
yep.
Just from the look of it, you can
Yeah, you can tell
You can
they're
tell it's
rubbery.
well shrinked. So
tell. Okay.
I like the
Trying
lemon
to
to it.
taste this. Of course, I'm trying to taste this herb.
Most likely parsley.
I like the sausage. It's cooked. The precision in the cutting. I like it. This is actually a good dish.
I see one of them smiling.
The lemon does a lot.
The lemon did a lot. Like it just.
Lemon does
So it's a balance. It
lot.
was intentional.
Yeah, it was
Lot of
intentional and it was a good intent.
Okay.
I'm actually impressed.
Wow.
It actually tastes good.
Okay.
I know, right?
Yeah.
The judges are now done tasting all 8 dishes. All they have to do now is score and shortlist just 4 of them. After this, 4 will be going home, while 4 will stay here and proceed to the next 3 stages of the cooking show.
We already know who our best person was. So let's start with her.
Elizabeth.
Hi, the girl with the lemon. Can you tilt your plate, please? Let's see it.
So that one
That's
is
the first pick.
Yes, that's our first.
You're
pick.
staying.
Where's your excitement? Smile. Where's the spirit? Come on, guys. Round of applause for her.
Team spirit. Team spirit.
I have you as our second.
Oh, okay. Introduce yourself. Come on.
My name is Chika.
What do you do, Chica?
I just finished school waiting for NYS.
Somebody had strawberry in her dish. Can we see the person?
That's you.
Round of applause for her. So what's your name?
And the final.
Juliet.
And the final.
Someone took us to Asia.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay.
How are you?
All right, guys, I'm about to present to you your first reward, more like a garment of honor for making it through to this stage. All right, can I have it? All right, guys, when you wear this, you have to wear it with pride and prestige. Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Congratulations. And you, my brother. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next round as they will be throwing down with other Honeywell products. Semolina, the spaghetti, the pasta. You know, let's see how creative they can get with the rest of their meals as the show goes on.